Howdy, another quick little tip today. I've made some more drawer slides out of wood this time. The last set I made were metal. Wood works just as good, but you do give up some dead space in there that you don't get with the angle iron drawer slides. Just so happened I've got a lot of lumber and not very much angle iron left, so I made up some more slides. And this is just old pine. It's salvaged. This stuff was cut before I was born, and it is harder than tempered woodpecker lips. I mean, this stuff is hard. I did put a little notch down here in the bottom, and that catches this here cross piece. And I don't do this on every drawer runner set, but I do it on occasion when I'm building drawers. I'm putting this in here mainly just to protect the bottom edge of my bottom drawer, because this area down here in the bottom of this opening is where I store my sawhorses and stuff like that. So, you know, I kind of get rough with them and throw them in. So I wanted just a little bit something to keep me from busting the front off of my drawer. So anyway, this is going to go in here like into that. Once I get that glued and nailed, then I'll come in from the bottom and stick this piece in, glue and nail it. And there we go. That's how I make wood drawer runners. And you don't have to get real fancy with these. These weren't planed, they were just ripped with a good saw blade. And you know, they work pretty good. These over here were put in about 15 years ago. And those are just plywood. Again, they weren't planed, they weren't sanded, they weren't anything. I just stuck them in there, and they've lasted 15 years. And hey, it's cheap and it's fast and it's easy. So there you go. There's your quick little tip. Y'all drive safe. Watch for deer.